Good morning and welcome to this week's assembly. Today I'm here at Little Park, our nursery. What a hot week it has been. I hope you're all enjoying the sunshine, but please do remember to stay safe. Wear sunscreen, a sun hat, drink plenty of water and wear cool clothes. This week our sharing comes from Marco Polo class. Let's see what they got up to this week.
Welcome to Marco Polo Summer Assembly. In year one, our topic is all about our country. We started our topic with the day exploring countries. Each class has one of the countries. I liked Northern Ireland best. We got to eat potatoes. Crisps. We live in England, which is part of the UK. Scotland, Wales and Northern Ireland are all parts of the UK. We are islanders surrounded by sea. We have looked at the key of the case. The coast is a part of the land near the sea. We have looked at the features of a beach. Our visiting. Talk well next Wednesday. We have learned some new words. A cliff is a steep rock face. Like this. Unload. A port is a ship load and unload. Some have a harbour where ships moor and shelter. Some harbours have a lighthouse, which is to beacon light to warn ships. We labelled a harbour. Then we made a collage. We could choose a beach, a port, or a harbour, but we all chose the beach. Lost to sea in the big blue ocean. Lost to sea in the deep blue sea. Lost to sea in the big blue ocean. Down there under the sea. Lots of fish in the big blue ocean. Lots of fish in the deep blue sea. Lots of fish in the big blue ocean. Down there under the sea. Whales and sharks in the big blue ocean. Whales and sharks in the big blue sea. Whales and sharks in the big blue ocean. Down there under the sea. Crabs and shells in the big blue ocean. Crabs and shells in the deep blue sea. Crabs and shells in the big blue ocean. Down there under the sea. Down there under the sea. Down there under the sea.
Wow, that was great, Marco Polo. Thank you. Okay, let's start with our stars in early years and Key Stage 1. In nursery, we have Liv, Kyle and Ibrahim. In reception, we have Yasin, Angelina and Muhammad Jolly. In year 1, we have Myra, Eliza and Shai. In year 2, we have Daisy, Camille and Rashid. Next, we are going to hear some book reviews from year 2 and year 6.
This book is called The Danger Dan by Tom Fletcher, illustrated by Shane Derves. I can't even know. Illustrated by Shane Devils. I think I may just have the book up like that. This story is about a boy called Frankie, the hero of the story, and 7 children from his school. All the children, including Frankie, get powers along the way of the storm. I'm just going to read what the story is about. Strange green lightning and powerful thunder crashed down onto the town. From that night on, the kids who live on Frankie's street start to change. One by one, they become a little odd, a little unusual, a little magic. Who wants to know more about Frankie? I do. Let's find out. His mum is an inventor, and his dad is really lazy. And his brother, his baby brother, well he's a poop, poop, and more poop.
Why don't you try Kenzuki's Kingdom? Hello everyone, and I'm reading a book called Kenzuki's Kingdom. So this story is all about this kid called Michael with his parents and a dog called Stella. And after he saw something like orange color, but he thought that it could be a orangutan. There was actually an older man called Kenzuki. So Kenzuki split the island in like half, like draw a line like this. And then after he drew the line, he said, my half, your half. And yeah, so that's what the story about. And I think they became friends in the end because I only read half of it. I don't normally like books, but year 6, I've been really enjoying Kenzuki's Kingdom and the letters from the lighthouse, because the letters from the lighthouse is all linked to do with World War II. And I think it was really fun, and it was very sad for me to finish it.
Hi, this is my favourite book today called Cold Pools Warm Heart. It's about a bear, and he's lonely, and one day he finds an instrument and he plays it. So then he plays the instrument, and the next day a little girl comes and follows the music, and then after I like this one because I like the green bits, and and I like the dots because it's like you're in space. Time passed slowly for Cold Pools. The only thing that kept him company was a silver flute, which he played each day to forget his troubles. I hope you love it.
It's time for our Key Stage 2 stars. In Year 3, we have Aisha, Tihan and Amaya. In Year 4, we have Arafin, Abai and Shifa. In Year 5, we have Samaya, Achilles and Coolraj. And in Year 6, we have Lani, Jessica and Lucy. Well done to all of our stars. You have all worked really hard. Okay, so this is the end of our assembly. Hope you all have a wonderful weekend and see you all on Monday.